Hey there, if you want to know how to perform first aid for your bike when it breaks down on the road when you're traveling, keep watching. Before we get to the topic of this video, it's always good to know what's in the stock toolkit that comes with your motorcycle. I have the KTM 390 Adventure, and here's what comes with the bike. I've spread out the contents for you. So we have Allen key set, that is the smallest one is a 4mm, 5mm, 6mm and 10mm. Then we have 3 spanners, as you can see 8 and 10, 13 and 14, and then we have the 17 one. With this you also have a basic flathead screwdriver as well as the 4-point, it's not focusing on it, a 4-point Phillips type screwdriver. For some reason I'm not sure. Yeah, there you go. You have that. You have your rear monoshock adjustment tool. So this will adjust what kind of setting you're on. And then we get the 2 extenders that will help you get to those hard to reach places or allow you to put more leverage while you're using your tools. So that wraps it up for what's with the KTM 390 Adventure. Now let's get on with the other part of the video. So the air filter of the KTM 390 Adventure is located right here underneath the rider's seat. All you have to do is put your bike's key here. This unlocks the rear part of the seat, that is the pillion seat, and remove that, and then remove the rider's seat like this. Just keep it carefully somewhere. And this is the box that houses the air filter. To access the air filter, all you need is size 4 Allen key, and then you twist it counterclockwise to loosen the bolts, and then you can access the air filter. Now that we know how to open an air filter, let's talk about why you should open and check it during your travels. If you're getting decreased gas mileage or you're smelling a lot of fuel smell, there is black smoke coming from your exhaust pipe, or if you're feeling that your engine is choking up when you're increasing power to the engine, that's when you should diagnose it as a problem of the air filter, or at least it's one of the causes of these issues. In terms of repair, well, there isn't much that you can do out on the road. If you have a spare air filter somewhere, you should use that. Or if somebody has a really strong air blower, you should try to blow out some of the dirt. But be careful, this can cause the paper elements that are there in the air filter to tear, and that's something that you don't want. 3, 2, 1, action. Hope you guys found this video to be informative. I would definitely recommend that if you have not gotten your air filter checked recently, please go get it checked, or you could do it yourself. It's a very simple process, and I'm going to release a few more videos along this line, which is first aid for motorcycles, breakdown management. Please subscribe to the channel if you'd like to go through these videos and learn how to manage your breakdowns in the most effective way possible, and what all spares and tools you should carry. That said, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and a subscribe to the channel would be great. So thanks for watching. Ride hard, ride safe. Cheers.